Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to make a easy little GoPro mount for your car using a plastic tube, little GoPro bracket, some new nuts and bolts, so it'll go onto your car headrest. Right, first you measure how far, because there's your headrest. I want mine to come to about here in the middle. There you go, so my camera will be somewhere about here next to my head. Once you've measured it, cut it down to size. Right, now that you've cut it down to size, you need to get your headrest. Mark off roughly where you want it drilling for your headrest to go through. Mine's going to go straight down there. As you can see, I've just done a line each side of the headrest there. How you drill those out? Okay, this is the biggest drill bit I've got. I don't quite think it's big enough, but we'll just work it around a bit just to see. So what you want to do is hole straight through. There's one. Make sure you do them level, otherwise the headrest won't go through. There you go. 2 holes, 1, 2. Hopefully the headrest should go through. Okay, get your headrest now just to check. There you go. Should look something like that. Your headrest. Your headrest and your GoPro. You stick your little GoPro on the end. Right then. As you'll probably see, the normal screws that you got are too small. So I've got a couple of longer bolts. You get your mount. Clamp it round. And that should be done. If the bolt doesn't go through, just get a somewhat bigger drill bit and just drill the holes out just so you can get the bolt through. Right, now that you've drilled your holes out, obviously that's now going to go around there. Slide your bolt in. I've just got a wing nut, one of those. There's one. There you go, there is your GoPro mount on a piece of pipe stuck to your headrest, so when you're driving it'll go in the middle between the seats. Right, as you can see, I've put carbon fibre wrap around mine, a couple of bungs on the end. Let's go see what it looks like in the car. There you go. Near enough in the middle. Like I say, well, there's a bit of cheap plastic drain pipe. I've put a couple of bungs in the end, a bit of carbon wrapper laying around. A normal bike mounting bracket. And there you go. That's a GoPro mount.